Hello and Assalamu alaikum class 5th. How are you all? Today we are going to start chapter number 7 in unit number 2, agriculture and irrigation in Pakistan. So you already know that Pakistan is mainly an agricultural country. So एग्रीकल्चर मीन ज़री कंट्री है जिसमें हमारे पास ज़राअत ज़्यादातर की जाती है. So agriculture has been carried out in the fertile plains of the Indus for thousands of years. However, agriculture methods have been changing over the years. Today, many farmers still use basic tools, but many new and modern machines are also used. So nowadays the farmer these days use technology methods of crop growing and harvesting methods. So there are different types of methods that farmer use, but modern improvement include the use of tractor, thresher, improved seeds, insecticides, pesticides and fertilizer. Irrigation methods have also been improved. So different methods are used for crop growing. So they use different tractor, threshers and different types of insecticide, pesticide to protect their crops from different disease and different insects. Different fertilizer are those products which speed up the growing of crop, speeding the crop growing. All the workers in Pakistan make up the workforce. Agriculture employed 66% of the total workforce in 1950 to 51, but by the 2017-18 this figure had dropped to 38.5%. This does not mean that agriculture production has dropped. It means that on a large farm machines are doing the work instead of many people. It also means the people are working in many other jobs too. Over the year, the production from farm in the area on which crops are grown here both increase. So यहाँ पर अगर आप लोग देखें कि जो पहले ज़माने के लोग थे तो इतनी ज़्यादा जॉब्स की अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं थी और कोई काम ज़रिया नहीं था. लोग सिर्फ खेतों में ही काम करते थे, फील्ड्स में ही काम करते थे. तो दैट्स वाई हमारे पास जो वर्क फोर्स था वो तकरीबन हमारे पास 66% था. बट इन 2017 to 18 दैट figure dropped to 38.5%. बट इट डज़ नॉट मीन दैट कि हमारे पास वर्क कम हो रहा है. बट क्या है कि इंस्टेड ऑफ वर्कर अब हमारे पास डिफरेंट मशीनरी के ज़रिए वो वर्क हो रहा है. एंड in one more thing कि peoples are going to work in many other jobs too. ज़रूरी नहीं कि सारे ही लोग क्या करें कि एग्रीकल्चर का खेतों में ही काम करें. सो ओवर द ईयर हमारे पास जो प्रोडक्शन फ्रॉम फार्म्स जो है और जो एरिया में हमारे पास क्रॉप्स ग्रो होता है डिफरेंट मशीनरी की वजह से उसमें डे बाय डे हमारे पास इंक्रीज़ होता जा रहा है और हमारे पास क्रॉप्स भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है और क्रॉप्स ग्रोइंग भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है. नाउ हमारे पास क्रॉप्स में क्या है. क्रॉप्स मच ऑफ द लैंड इन पाकिस्तान इज़ नॉट वेरी फर्टाइल. Crops do not grow well on such land. Punjab is the best area for because it is because of its fertile soil and irrigation system. It makes up a quarter of the total area of Pakistan but has over 57% of the cultivated land in the country. So much of the Pakistan inland is not that much fertile. क्रॉप्स जो होते हैं वो इस लैंड पर फिर ग्रो नहीं करते. बट क्या है कि पंजाब इज़ बेस्ट एरिया फॉर क्रॉप बिकॉज पंजाब एरिया इज़ वेरी fertile land and have fertile soil and irrigation system two main things are very important for crops: the fertile soil and irrigation system. So Punjab have both of these fertile soil and irrigation system. So the main crop coming from Punjab area. It makes up a quarter of total area of Pakistan, but has over 57% of the cultivated land in country. Food crops. Food crops, different types of food crops we have, that Kharif crops and Rabi crops. So what is Kharif crops and Rabi crops? So Kharif crops are those crops which cultivated in summer season, especially in monsoon season. They are also called monsoon crops. And the Kharif crops, we have different types of crops like cotton, rice, maize and millets हमारे पास जिसे हम बाजरा कहते हैं. And in Rabi crops we cultivated Rabi crops in winter season. In winter season, Rabi crop include different types of crops like wheat, gram, masoor, rapeseed just like canola seed, canola oil seed, and mustard oil, different सरसों का तेल वगैरह. So this is the different types of food crop: Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Wheat. So wheat is the staple food in the South Asia, especially in Pakistan. What is staple food? Staple food is a food that is eaten routinely, mean regularly. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आप लोग ख़ुद देखिए कि रेगुलरली जो वीट है, गंदम है, वो हमारे रोज़मर्रा लाइफ में ज़रूरी है. मीन कि हर दिन ही हमारे घर में फूड में कुछ और पकता हो, लेकिन क्या है कि साथ में हमारे पास वीट जो है वो मस्ट होता है. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ फूड इज़ कॉल्ड स्टेपल फूड. So staple food are food which form the basis of the everyday diet of a community. For example, the staple food of Bangladesh and China is rice. Most of the farm area in Pakistan is taken up by wheat, which grow well in places that have mild temperature and small amount of rainfall. So Bangladesh and China staple food is rice, but all staple food is wheat. After wheat, rice is like people very like to eat rice, but the staple food of Pakistan is wheat. So it taken up by wheat. Pakistan mostly area taken up by wheat, which grow well in mild temperature. Mild temperature mean दरमियानी दर्जा हरारत होता है, mild, and a small amount of rainfall, mean इतनी ज़्यादा amount of water की भी ज़रूरत नहीं होती. This crop is sown in October and November. नवंबर एंड अक्टूबर में इसका बीज जो है वो बोया जाता है, एंड हार्वेस्टेड इन अप्रैल एंड मई. अप्रैल एंड मई की सीज़न में इसकी कटाई की जाती है. इन द वेस्टर्न हाईलैंड पाकिस्तान की जो डिफरेंट हाईलैंड्स है, अपर हाईलैंड्स लाइक कराकोरम, नंगा पर्वत एंड डिफरेंट एरियाज. सो these area have not that high volume of yields, but the Indus Plain produce much more, because जो Indus Plain है, दरियाई सिंध के साथ जो एरिया है, they have much more production of wheat because of the richer soil and flatter land. Pakistan produced about 25.1 million tons of wheat in 2017 to 18. Rice. So rice, after wheat, rice is the second most popular food in Pakistan and other countries. So Pakistan produced over 7.4 million tons of rice during 2017 to 18. Rice grow well in warm places that have plenty of moisture. The rice plantation are mostly in lower Punjab and Sindh. So there are different types of rice. The Eri, the Basmati and Desi varieties of rice are grown here. So best among these Basmati जो कि क्या करते, they are exported to the Middle East and other varieties of exported to various Asian countries. So Pakistan is the 5th largest rice exported in the world, and Pakistani rice is exported to over 100 countries including China, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Kenya, Nigeria, the Philippines, Sierra Leone, Somalia, Thailand, Chile, Denmark, Djibouti, Mauritius, Niger, Zimbabwe, Indonesia, the UAE, and many other states, Iran and Japan. So, Pakistan produced 7.4 million tons of rice during 2017 to 18. So, but it's need a quite a lot of water, plenty of moisture, and you know that Pakistan is a dry country, so that's why we cultivated more wheat as compared to the rice. So this is all about the different type of crops and different types of rice. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.